What's that? What is that, Lily? What is it?
Umbrella.
An umbrella. No, it's okay.
Kite. Kite.
Oh, a kite.
Wow.
What is it? What animal is that? A what? Are you just making...
No. Yes.
Okay, what's missing?
Roar.
A roar? Also known as a lion.
Tiger.
Oh, it's a lion, not a tiger. See, it has a mane around its neck. Okay, what's missing now?
Mouse. Mouse.
Oh, it is. That's right, Zane. Mouse.
Breed. Mouse.
Mouse. That's right, Zane. Good job.
In the house.
Are there mouses in Nana's house? I don't think so.
Mommy house.
No. What is that?
Bird.
A bird? It's a special bird called a nightingale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hen.
What is that?